Wanna make $100 a day from home in your spare time? In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 survey sites that will allow you to make an extra $36,000 a year all from the comfort of your bed. Number 1. Branded surveys. I've used this one personally, and I've made $150 on free weekends. They pay $5 a survey and only take 10 minutes to complete, meaning you can make $100 in 3 hours. Number 2. Survey Junkie. They pay $3.50 a survey, and each survey takes roughly 5 minutes to complete. Number 3. Inbox Dollars. They pay $3 flat per survey, and each survey takes 1 to 2 minutes to complete. 4. LifePoints. They also only pay $3 a survey, but their payout rates are known to be especially fast. Lastly, number 5. Swagbucks. I'm sure you've heard of this site at least once. Although it's fairly reputable, it's on the bottom of the list because they only pay $1 to $3 per survey. Click the links in the description to sign up for these sites and begin making money today. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fast money-making content.